Hey folks, Dave Dienhart with W Designs here. So what I've done is I went ahead and created my own little pouch bag so that we could dust the surface of this Omnibot 2000 to make it a little bit less reflective and make it easier to 3D scan. These lenses are extremely reflective. So I'll go ahead and just blow off the excess with just a little bit of air. Don't want too much on here, but we want just enough to keep it dull, but not to throw off the dimensions. So we're going to 3D scan this Omnibot 2000 robot, which I dusted down with some talc powder earlier, with this Pop scanner here. So that's a Pop scanner by Revopoint. They are not sponsoring this video in any way. It's something I bought with my own money, but thought I'd go ahead and give it a go and share the results. So I'm going to get in the start position here, and I'm going to hit start. I'm using the iPhone app to go ahead and get this going. Okay. I'm just doing the head and the neck for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and stop it and restart. Okay, actually I'm going to pause. It started to get wonky there. So we'll go ahead and set that down. I am going to go ahead and save that. And then I'm going to do another scan. So that right there got things pretty good, I think. It might have actually gotten a little bit of an offset in one of the arms, so I may have to redo that scan. I'm going to look at it real quick. Okay, so I'll show you what we got. If you can see it there. It's not bad at all. We'll keep on scanning, and we should get some overlap there. And that should take care of things. So I'm going to go ahead and continue from right here. All right, we are very messed up there, so we're going to restart that again. Okay. So now we should have a pretty good baseline there. So I'm going to stop that, complete that scan. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the mesh files that we, or actually I guess the point clouds that we got of the Omnibot 2000, and we're going to start merging those. So we're going to do it here in Handy Studio and see how that will work for us. So we're going to open Model 1, Model 2, and we're simply going to say align and see how it works. So it looks like it did a pretty good job of getting those aligned. So why don't we, can I just do a merge, I guess? I did a merge. All right, hold on. Oh, no, okay. So the align and then the merge. Got it. I see what the workflow is. Okay, so now we're going to export. Why don't we export that as a PLY, and we will put that in the appropriate location here. So we'll put, I'm just going to do 1-2, and then we'll merge 1-2 with the third one in the list as well. So now why don't we select 1-2, open that, which is this one, Model 2. We already did those two. This one is going to be number 3, and we'll tell it to align it. Okay, it aligned it properly. Now we'll tell it to merge. Now I'm going to go ahead and export that as 1-2-3. We're going to have, I think, 7 total, if I recall correctly. Now we're going to do Model 2. Pull in that one. And we'll do the alignment. So it looks like I could have gotten a little more detail there. Okay, so we'll merge that. So I could go ahead and capture more detail. So we've got the hand, we got some gaps here and here, some gaps here and in the eyes because they were slightly reflective. We didn't get this hand very well either. So I could go back and I could do some more scanning, and it looks like we got some of that garbage I had mentioned where it creates a fin. It basically starts scanning here, and as I move to the left, it thinks that that shiny surface just continues onward and keeps on going. So why don't we go to the processing, and we'll say yes, we're certain that we want to go to the process, and let's make this into a mesh, see what it looks like. Okay, so there we go. We've got a little residue there. We've got those gaps there. Not bad though. Let's look at the hands real quick. Okay, so we lost this hand. It just went away. Let's see what fill holes does, and we'll do it by planar surface and see what it looks like. So if we look at that, you know, frankly, that's not too bad. All right, so that's it for the 3D scanning walkthrough of the Omnibot 2000. Let me know what you think. All right, talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining.